Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Please like and subscribe my channel for more information. And today is especially a message. This video is for the payment pending pay button. Those are getting this pay button and written here the payment pending, so they can easily do it. So I can show you that how you can do it. First, you have to write this application number, and I just tell you that what to do. So I can just copy it. Okay, so once you click here, so it will be like same giving you error daily limit. Just what do? You click here and download the file. Okay, it's going to download file is already downloaded, and I will show you something. Okay, so after downloaded, you have to go on page 2. Here is written the fees and the courier fees, so you can write it down or you can save it anywhere. And go to the home page of this, and you can see the file number here. Okay, this is the file number or reference number. It's the same thing. Okay, just remember the one thing, and you have to go the ICAS daily limit solution my page, and go to the file section, then download this link, and I can download it. It's downloading. Okay, now I will open it. Now what you have to do, first name, last name, client ID, you have to write it manually. I can show you. Just I told you already the first name, last name, client number, and application email. And this is already I told you that product price and shipping price. You can reconfirm from your PDF document. This is the fees $200 and the courier fees is $75. Actually, some people do mailing address in Canada, so it would be like a $15, or some required additional documents, so they got fees should be extra. So what it has written, so you just follow this instruction. Okay, and I already told you that this you have to submit and the open page. So I'm just pausing it, and I will show you, and you can pay anytime in 24 hours. Okay, so now I'm clicking the open payment. Another window will be open soon. See, this is open. Now what you have to do, you have to click on the begin form. Your all information will be here. So now I've just hide it. Okay, wait, that's so now I hide it, and you can see that it's appear within a few seconds. So just wait it. After that, you have to click on submit. So it will redirect to you e-portal again. The credit card detail they will ask on. I will show you. Now see, here is again your information and order summary. Then go to secure checkout. You can see success, total amount. My net is a little slow, so I can click and I go to secure checkout. Internet is working slow. So now what you have to do, you have to write an email address which you have given to your making account of ICAS. So you have to check out gas checkout. After putting the email address, I just hide it again, and you have to click on the credit card, and then you have to follow the instruction in this page. Now after information, the billing address should be same as your like a credit card or debit card, otherwise your card will be declined. So you have to click submit. After submit, you have to write the credit card information, card or name, and then you have to click on this. So I will dummy let you know that show you dummy something 3900 3000 67 दानिश कर देते हैं. Now you can see that the place order is open. Okay, I just write a dummy number and tell you that it will give error. Now you see I just click on the place order and I know I just write the dummy number and you see your credit card is declined. So I want to only show that you can do the payment. So this is the way if you are if your file has written that payment pending pay button, so you can easily do it the payment for this process. Thank you, have a nice day and hope you like my video. Like and subscribe. Thank you, have a nice day.